Hey there, welcome to your moment of calm. This is your special time to unwind and reconnect with yourself. I'm here to guide you through a gentle meditation that will help you find your inner peace. Together, we'll embark on a journey to tranquility. Let's get started. Begin by finding a comfortable spot where you can sit or lie down without any distractions. Make sure you feel at ease, whether you're on a soft cushion, a chair, or lying on the ground. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, and then slowly exhale. Feel the air filling your lungs, and then gently leaving your body. Let all the tension in your body melt away. Imagine it dissolving with each breath you take. Now let's focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your lungs expand. Hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Imagine you're blowing away all your worries and stress. With each exhale, feel a sense of relief and lightness. Continue this deep breathing, allowing yourself to become more relaxed with every breath. As you continue to breathe deeply, picture yourself in a peaceful place. It could be a serene beach, a quiet forest, or a beautiful meadow. Wherever you feel most at peace, let that image fill your mind. Feel the warm sunlight on your skin, and hear the gentle sounds of nature around you. The rustling leaves, the chirping birds, the distant sound of waves. With each breath, let yourself sink deeper into this tranquil space. Imagine a gentle wave of relaxation spreading from the top of your head down to your toes. Feel your muscles unwind and your mind becoming clearer and calmer. Let go of any tension or stress. If any thoughts try to intrude, acknowledge them and then gently let them go. This is your time to simply be. Focus on the rhythm of your breath and the sense of stillness within you. Embrace the calm that is growing inside you. Take a moment now to reflect on something you're grateful for. It could be a person, a moment, or even a simple pleasure. Let that feeling of gratitude fill your heart and enhance your sense of peace. Feel the warmth of gratitude spreading through your body. Remember, this sense of calm is always within you, ready to be accessed whenever you need it. It's a part of you. Now slowly start to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch if it feels good. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. Take this feeling of tranquility with you as you go about your day. Remember, you can always find your inner calm. It's always there, waiting for you. Until next time, take care. Nurture this peace within you and let it guide you through your day. May you carry this sense of calm and gratitude with you, spreading it to those around you.